FreeCAD versus Revit, which design software is better? Choosing the right design software can transform your architectural or engineering projects without wasting time or resources. FreeCAD and Revit offer distinct approaches for 3D modeling and BIM workflows. FreeCAD and Revit are powerful tools for design but serve different needs. FreeCAD is an open-source parametric modeler, while Revit is a comprehensive BIM platform. The core difference lies in FreeCAD's flexibility versus Revit's industry-standard BIM integration. FreeCAD is a free open-source parametric 3D modeling software designed for product design, mechanical engineering, and architecture. It works by allowing users to create models with parameters that can be modified at any stage, making design iterations seamless. Its modular architecture supports various workbenches for tasks like drafting, architectural modeling, and finite element analysis. FreeCAD's strengths include its zero cost, flexibility, and active community support, which constantly expands its capabilities. However, it has limitations. The user interface can feel less polished, and it lacks the advanced BIM features found in commercial tools. FreeCAD is ideal for hobbyists, students, and professionals who need customizable CAD software without licensing fees and are comfortable with a steeper learning curve. It excels in projects where parametric modeling and open formats are priorities, but it may not fit large-scale architectural workflows requiring integrated BIM collaboration. Revit is a leading building information modeling BIM software developed by Autodesk, tailored specifically for architects, engineers, and construction professionals. It integrates 3D modeling with detailed information about building components, enabling multidisciplinary collaboration throughout the project lifecycle. Revit works by linking geometry, data, and documentation in a single platform, ensuring that changes in design automatically update all related views and schedules. Its strengths include robust BIM tools, extensive libraries, and seamless interoperability with other Autodesk products. Revit supports large-scale projects with complex workflows and regulatory compliance. However, it requires a paid subscription and significant hardware resources. The user interface is professional but can be overwhelming for beginners. Revit is best suited for firms and professionals focused on commercial architecture, construction management, or infrastructure projects who need comprehensive BIM capabilities and collaboration features. Comparing FreeCAD and Revit highlights clear trade-offs. FreeCAD offers cost-effective, flexible parametric modeling, ideal for smaller projects or users wanting customization without licensing fees. It's great for experimental design and learning CAD fundamentals, but lacks advanced BIM collaboration. Revit, on the other hand, excels in integrated BIM workflows, supporting multidisciplinary teams and large-scale construction documentation. It streamlines project coordination, but comes with higher costs and steeper hardware demands. For example, a freelance architect might prefer FreeCAD for early-stage design and prototyping, while a large architectural firm would benefit from Revit's comprehensive BIM environment for detailed construction planning and client presentations. The choice depends on project scale, budget, and collaboration needs. FreeCAD is recommended for users seeking a free, customizable parametric CAD tool with flexibility for smaller projects or learning, without the overhead of commercial BIM software. Revit is the best choice for professionals requiring full BIM integration, collaborative workflows, and detailed construction documentation. Its powerful features justify the investment for complex projects and teams aiming for industry-standard design and coordination efficiency. Choose based on your project's scale and collaboration